Lawyers are already, being sued, and this was a big topic of conversation. The lawyers who it generated hallucination citations, and these lawyers got in significant hot water about this because the other side said we can't find these cases.
Yeah.
But people don't understand it wasn't sort of as simple as the firm just did this, and they just didn't check the citations. What lawyer prepares a document without checking your citations? And it wasn't even just that. The other side came back and said, we can't find these cases. And they doubled down and said that they were cases. And it took like 3 iterations for them to finally, cough up that, we made this up on ChatGPT and we had no idea that this is.